every part of this cake is edible. Except for the pulp, the cake part, yes. Okay, ready? V'hachut ha'mishulash lo bimhera yinateh. A three-strand rope is not easily broken. A three-strand rope represents strength. We decided to use this quote from Kohelet Daled to guide us while making this cake. Throughout the whole cake, there is a rope circling to represent the chut. We decorated the rope with roses to show that by standing strong, we instill beauty in this world. On the bottom layer of the cake, it shows the Jewish people from all different backgrounds holding hands to represent unity. Yeah? Okay. They are banded together just like the strands of the rope. The second layer represents all the mitzvot that come in a pack of three, otherwise known as Mishulashet. For example, the Shalosh Regalim, Pesach, Shavuot, and Sukkot. On the Pesach Seder, we have the mitzvah of Ke'ara, as seen on the cake. Shavuot is represented on the cake by the Luchot HaBrit. Shavuot is represented by the Luchot HaBrit. And Sukkot is represented on the cake by the Sukkah. We made a basket to represent the Bikurim that were brought to the Kohen in the time of the Shalosh Regalim. On Pesach, we have the mitzvah of Mishulashet with the three matzot, Kohen, Levi, and Yisrael. Our inner strength comes from the three avot, again Mishulashet. Abraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov each have incredible midah that we have learned throughout this week in Kolor. They have kindness, humility, justice, and strength. When we dig deep into ourselves to find that inner strength, we look at our Jewish heritage, our avot that guide us through every day in our lives. Abraham fulfilled the mitzvah of Hachnasat Orchim. The concept of Mishulashet comes back with the three angels that he welcomed to his tent. On the first day of creation, there was only the existence of Hashem. The second day of creation, there was discord and polarity as the sky and water were split. On the third day of creation, however, everything came together. The two opposites were brought together and united. The third day of creation is represented by our three-strand rope. And to end it off, Al Shloshat Barim Ha'olam Omed, Al Torah, Al Avodah, Al Gmilut Chasadim. On the top layer, we meet a world held up by three different pillars, like how it is written in Pirkei Avot. These pillars keep the Jews strong daily on this earth. We put a person on top that is made out of all the different colors to show that the Jewish people are Ki'ish Echad, B'Lev Echad, and stand strong.
Thank you very much, Kimot Tzma. Okay. Please spin the cake for the tea, wait, stand really, where go? Oh my gosh. Spin the cake around, one time, okay? And go down. And then who's next? Is that everyone? No, it's not. I knew I missed one.